Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all have gone through my recent video lessons. Yes students? So students, let's begin with our today's video lesson. But before beginning with the video lesson, I hope you remember those three things which you always have to do. Yes, you have to like the video, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated, and you have to share the video lessons with your friends and classmates. Alright students, so let's get started. Students, in the recent video lessons, we have already understood the kind of punctuation marks and we have very clearly discussed about their usages. So students, in today's video lesson, we will try to understand what are capital letters and how we can use them differently. So let's begin with our today's video lesson now. Students, today's lesson is going to be very interesting as well as important for you all. And you know why? Because most of the time you people have been making mistakes while writing any work in your notebooks. Anywhere you're using capital letters. So today the objective of learning this topic is that you will be understanding where and when to use capital letters. For this you need to be very careful with the video lesson. So let's begin with our very first one. Students, when we have to use a capital letter? See, capital letters are used in the following ways. Number one, to begin a sentence. For example, hard work is the key to success. Can you note here? Students, here the first initial, that is H, is written in capital. I cannot write that in small because to begin a sentence, I have to use a capital letter, right? Let's see second example. Time is money. Here also the first initial, that is T, is written in capital, right? Number third, she was very fond of reading novels. So here in she, I have used S as capital, okay? So students, it means that whenever I have to begin a sentence, the very first letter which I have to use is capital, okay? Students, let's see the second one. We can use capital letters to begin each fresh line of poetry as youth is full of pleasure, age is full of cares. Can you see here? The initials I have written in capital letter because it's a poetry, okay? Now third one, we can also use it to begin all proper nouns and adjectives formed from them. So students, most of the time I observed while checking your notebooks that you people are writing that incorrect. You're writing these things in small letters. So now make sure that whenever you are referring to any proper nouns or you're writing any adjectives, that time you have to use capital letters, okay? For example, December, Saturday, Bombay, the Germans, the Indian Army, the English language. So students, whenever I have any proper noun or adjective, that time I have to keep in my mind that my letter should be written in capital. Okay, is it clear? Let's move further now. Students, we can also use capital letters to write the pronoun I. So whenever I have to write in a sentence pronoun I have to use it as capital letter, okay? Let's see the example. First one, Rohan and I went to the mall. Can you see here? I have written I in capital letter. Then second one, yesterday I planted a mango sapling in my garden. So students, I hope that you are understanding that how we have to use these capital letters. Now next one, we have to use capital letters whenever we are referring for any titles of literary works, novels and films. So students, whenever we are referring to any famous poet, any famous poem, so that time we have to write that in capital letters, okay? Let's clear this with the help of an example. First one, Gitanjali is a collection of poems by Rabindranath Tagore. So here we are talking about that particular collection, that is Gitanjali. That is why the first letter which I have used for it is capital, right? Next one, have you read the novel of Shakespeare? Here the Shakespeare is someone who is very famous personality. So that is why for referring to his name, I have used a capital letter. Okay. Students, we also write capital letters for names of festivals and important holidays. For example, Easter, Bihu and Holi are spring festivals. Can you see here? I have written these festivals in capital letters. Okay. Second one, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Clear? Let's move further. We write it for names of countries, continents, states, regions, cities, towns and villages. So whenever we have to refer these things, we have to make sure that we have to use capital letters. Okay. Let's see the first example. New Delhi is the capital of India. So here I have written N in capital, D in capital and India's I in capital. Okay. Second one. The Malabar region is the area between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So here also you can note the capital letters of Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. Clear? Students, we can also use capital letters for names of rivers, oceans, seas, lakes, right? For example, the Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean of the world. Can you note here? I is capital of Indian and Oceans O is also in capital. Okay. Second one, a number of large rivers flow into the Bay of Bengal. Clear? Shall we proceed further? So students, you might have observed that we can write capital letters for abbreviations as well. Abbreviations you understand for short forms. So let's see the example. First one, ISRO. So students, rather than using the whole title again and again like Indian Space Research Organization, we can simply use the abbreviation ISRO for referring Indian Space Research Organization. Okay. Second one, WHO. So rather than repeating World Health Organization, we can simply use the abbreviation, and these abbreviations has to be written in capital letters. Okay. Let's see the last one. We can use capital letters for names of streets, buildings, museums and art galleries. For example, I stay at 10, Cherry Blossom Street. So can you see? I have written C as capital, B as capital and streets S is also in capital. Okay. So example second, the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So students, I hope that you have understood when and where to use capital letters. So now I am expecting that whenever I will correct your notebooks, I will not find these minute errors, right? So students, I hope you have understood the chapter of punctuation and capital letters well. So please make sure that you have to complete your assignments and notes as well. Okay? And yes students, before Monday, kindly complete your grammar book work as well, because on Monday in WebEx class, I will be discussing the book exercises with you people. Okay? So please make sure that all your work should be completed timely. Okay students? And yes, don't forget to check your description box. Students, that's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the content well. So now I'll meet you all in the next video lesson. Till then, you have to keep on completing your assignments and you have to keep on learning. And yes students, before going, make sure you hit the like button, you subscribe to my channel and you share this video lesson with your friends and classmates. Alright, goodbye. Take care.